Hi, I'm Jeannie Lutfy with Brown Harris Stevens. Today, I'm happy to welcome you to my newest exclusive listing at 181 East 73rd Street on the beautiful Upper East Side. Let's take a look at this exceptional apartment. If you're someone looking for a home with lots of space, loads of light, closets galore, and incredible flexibility, then apartment 10AB is the right place for you. The first thing you immediately take in is its impressive breadth of space. That's because two spacious apartments have been combined here to give you a very rare situation of uncommonly large-scale rooms and open space that are perfect for living, entertaining, hanging out, and just moving around. Everyone loves light, and this home's windows and east-west exposure provide beautiful natural light all day long in all of its rooms. Lots of closets and storage space, and you can see it everywhere. It's in the entryway. It's in the open kitchen, which is perfectly situated with lots of counter space for cooking and eating, as well as stainless steel appliances and storage. The primary bedroom in particular is huge. With its great light, very large closets, and sizable ensuite bathroom, it's the perfect retreat to relax in after a long day out in New York City's hustle and bustle. Just off the primary bedroom is a room that I like to call the bonus room. It works perfectly for a home office, a den, or just about anything else you'd like to use it for. Let's check out the other two bedrooms. Both get wonderful light and have lots of closet space. This one also has an ensuite bath. 181 East 73rd Street is a full-service Doorman building centrally located in the Upper East Side. Amazing restaurants, great shopping, fabulous culinary shops like the one and only Cinderella, which is nearby. And when you're craving the outdoors, you can head on over to the best backyard you could have, New York City's iconic Central Park. Also close by on Museum Mile are incredible cultural institutions and museums. And it's easy to get anywhere from here, thanks to the 2nd Avenue subway line just 1 block away and the nearby Lexington Avenue line. I'm Jeannie Lutfy with Brown Harris Stevens. If you'd like a personal tour of this fabulous apartment, please reach out anytime. I'm looking forward to meeting with you.